Unlocking English. Mastering the phrase, open with. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a phrase that can open many doors in your English conversations, open with. This little phrase packs a punch, and understanding how to use it can add a layer of sophistication to your dialogue. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your fluency, this video is tailored to help you grasp the essence of open with. When we open with something, we're starting or beginning an event or conversation with a particular action or topic. Imagine a key turning in a lock. Open with turns the key to unlock the conversation or event. Examples in everyday conversations. The meeting will open with remarks from the CEO. Let's open with introductions, shall we? Usage in public speaking or performances. The concert will open with a performance by the school choir. Beyond the literal, open with can also be used figuratively. It refers to starting a conversation with a particular statement or question that sets the tone. Examples of strategic conversations. Open with a compliment to make a good first impression. When negotiating, sometimes it's smart to open with your second best offer. In writing, open with can indicate the beginning of a piece with a certain quote, statement, or scene. Examples in literature and articles. The novel opens with a quote from Shakespeare. Her article opened with a powerful anecdote about resilience. Understanding what open with should not be confused with is just as crucial. Don't confuse with open up. Open up often refers to being emotionally available or starting to talk more about personal feelings, which is different from the more action-oriented open with. And there we have it, a comprehensive look at the phrase open with. Now that you're equipped with this knowledge, you can open with confidence in your next English conversation or writing piece. Keep